What up, internet? I am the PC Goblin. Before we get into what's going to go on today, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of my stuff, please hit that subscribe button. But moving on, so this is an Apple Cinema display. This is the DisplayPort model, not the Thunderbolt model. So it's kind of rare and very, very old. And this is an old iMac. Prior to the Core i-series Intel chips, so it's like a Core 2 Duo. But the screen on this, or at least the glass cover that was on the front of it, got shattered by something getting thrown at it. Not gonna say what happened, but it happened. And for the most part, the screen itself wasn't damaged. There's a little bit of a nick right here from the glass. But like I said, other than that, it's actually in really good condition. I've turned it on, it still works, it looks beautiful. You really can't see anything right here. So we're gonna be cleaning the screen with the Screen Mom stuff. This is really great. You can get it on Amazon. I've got a link in the description below, but this is my favorite screen cleaner. I use it on everything, my TVs, screens, laptops, everything. But I'm gonna use that to clean the LCD panel. And then I'm gonna clean the front of the glass panel right here. I'm gonna pull it off, and then I'm gonna clean the inside of it to make sure that it's clean. This has been opened up before, not by me, but another technician, and he didn't do the best job at cleaning the inside of the screen, or it's the inside of the glass, so I'm gonna be doing that. And I have no idea if this glass will fit on this monitor, but both devices were made at about the same time, you know, amongst everything, so I really don't think that this glass is any different than the glass that was on top of it. I really suspect they're swappable. So we're gonna find out two things. First, if you can take an old iMac's glass and put it on a screen, and then we're also gonna see if I can do it without breaking the glass, because I have a history of breaking the glass off of these iMacs. Not purposefully, but just due to random events and whatnot. So I've generally tried to stay away from it. But without any more talking, let's get to it. Alright, here goes nothing. There's that. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Almost the moment of truth. Ah. Yeah. Doesn't work. By the way, it's sticking to it because it's magnetized. It's got little metal strips around it, and then the monitor itself has magnets. Well, this was a complete fail. I'm not going to do it on this video, but I wonder if I can maybe gut the monitor and gut the iMac and put the internals of the monitor of this inside this, and then just use this as a bigger version of this, basically. I mean, same screen size. This is a 27-inch, this is a 27-inch, so shouldn't be an issue. But just to explain the problem, this is square, and if you look at this, it's rounded down here. So this is not going to go onto this. The corner of this sticks out, plus these tabs right here where it locks into the iMac, they have nothing to go into on the monitor, so just isn't happening. We're really sorry to have wasted your time, but at least I thought it was interesting. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any suggestions for me on what I can do to get a replacement screen for this, leave me a comment in the section below. But if you want to see more of my stuff, which I hope you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching.